Yo, what's up? Welcome to a new video. Thanks for sliding back to the channel. My doorbell just rung and I got parts for days, dude. For days. Yeah, I got stuff for days. Bring all the goodies inside. Bring everything inside. Come on. Alright, so this package, I already know what this is. This is the Kbros stickers. And I'm gonna package it. I'm not gonna show my address because I don't want y'all to pull up and try anything weird. But boy got the package. You know what I'm saying? And I'm saying, yep, that's that yellow right there. Let's show you what I got. Got yellow. Got the full white. Custom yellow and red. Golds. Got the neochrome. You know what I'm saying? Red. Pink. And blue so far. So this is like my second batch, and believe it or not, all of these are already gone. So I need to start packaging what I need to package and sending them out. So that's one. Now for the big box. Bruh. Oh, this is nice. I don't know. Okay. Let's see, plastics. Bubble wrap, you already know. All these boxes. Oh, hey. What's that new? Okay, these are dope. I like this. I like this. I like this. Kind of dope. All right. See you in these streets, Ron. I see you in these streets. Hold on, let's go outside. Let's go outside and see how this bad John fit. Oh, I think I need that big piece. But, okay. All right. You know, sits pretty much like that. I like it. I rock it. My question is, why is this so loose? Do I have to tighten it? or something. Right here is kind of loose, so I got to figure that out. I might have to tighten here, so once I adjust it to where I want it to be, then I just tighten. So if I want it to sit like so, yeah. All right, cool. So before I continue with anything, go ahead, like the video. Just go ahead, like the video. Like the video. Did you do it? Thank you. Subscribe. Hit the subscribe button with the bell. You did that? You sure? Just double check to see if you did it. All right, cool. So since I got the mirror, or the side mirror, or whatever, okay, let's see if this even fits my car, because it probably doesn't. So I might have to do some modification. I might have to do, what the? Oh, so this is how it sits. That's how it sits. I'm actually gonna go prepare myself, get some work done. I gotta open the garage, you know, get more lights, and I gotta get some chores done before I actually start doing this. But let's fit these lights, these side mirrors on today. I said lights. Let's put this side mirror on today, and I'm gonna put my yellow fog light back into this bumper because I don't like the white one. So that's gonna be the plan for today. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I just don't like the fact that the mirror's kind of loose. As I said, maybe, just maybe, if I tighten it, it'll get tighter and doesn't move. So we'll see when we get to that part. But for now, I'll see you in a moment. So what I'm tripping on it, and I'm low-key tripping right now because they sent me all this stuff, right? I got all this stuff. I got the mirror and everything, but I ain't get no hardware. What the heck? How you gonna send me this with nothing to mount it up on? Unless they want me to use what's in here. So now I gotta figure out one, two, 3. I gotta take this bad boy off. Hold up before I mess this shit up, and then I get mad. Where's the clip? Alright, bro. Alright, cool. Alright, cool. Yo, y'all can't see smack on the camera. Hold up. Alright, so let me try to pull this piece off. And I'll hit y'all up. Hold up. Right, so this side I think goes on, so if I'm not mistaken, it goes on here. And it goes on like this. Which I still think that this is the wrong way. I don't know. Might have just bought the wrong thing overall, because it just doesn't fit. So I don't know, boys. I'm gonna try to mess around, hopefully make it work and see. Alright, y'all boys, I know you guys are wondering what the hell's Ron doing, but this is how it looks. I have a bolt there and a bolt there holding the arm in, and then you just line it up, you put these 3 bolts in, and you should be good. So I'm gonna put this piece in back on there and show you how it looks again, now that it's more secured. All right, y'all boys, so I did that side. I can't stress that out enough. I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling these bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think this is a 10, and then these 3 are 5/8. I already put the mirror together. I'll show you that in a bit, right after I'm done pulling these bolts.
Got that one off. Getting too tired for this shit. Alright. Alright, where is it now? Where is it? Bruh, I thought I brought it out here. Alright, let me go get the side mirror real quick. Thought I brought it out here. I already got it in there. Now all I need to do is grab this, slide it on, pause. Am I doing this the right way? Yeah, hold up. Okay. Alright, there we go. There we go. Now, just gotta find this bolt that I lost. You know me. I stay losing stuff. I don't know why. Thought I had it in my pocket, but clearly I don't. So let's check on this side of the car. Nope, not there. Nope, nope, nope. I mean, this one can be used, but it's not the same color. I need the black one. And it's not in the car. Oh, it is in the car. Okay. There we go. So for now, I'm just gonna hand tighten these. Just so y'all get the idea. And then I can adjust it to wherever I want. Boom. Looks good. In my opinion, it looks good. It looks sleek. Fun fact, this is actually for a 2-door, not a 4-door, and it actually fits the 4-door perfectly fine. So, this is how it looks. Don't mind the chair. That's how it looks, bro. Looks pretty good to me. It looks aggressive. It looks different, you know. And most importantly, I like how it looks. So if you like how it looks, give me a thumbs up and a like, comment your thoughts if you think it's trash. Like the video either way, or dislike, it doesn't matter. Either one supports. Tell me what you think. I do plan on wrapping it carbon fiber though. I'm gonna wrap it carbon fiber. Emma was saying why not plastic, hydro dip it, but that's kind of bread that I really don't have to spread, that I don't have right now. So yeah, I'm gonna just rock it like this for now. It's pretty sturdy. So on to the next one, boys.